strut ball socket is a pretty simple attachment point. This band here is actually a spring that is clipping onto the ball of the stud, and that's what holds it on. To remove it, take a flat blade screwdriver and just lift up on the spring. Don't take it all the way off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to twist the ball stud off. Alright, so I went actually a little bit too far with the spring, so I'm going to show you how to fix that. But with it loose, this should just twist right off. Okay? So you push this clip back in and then put a little pressure on the other tab. The clip will fit right back into place. Now it can be used again. Simply push it onto the ball stud.